Maybe you're thinking about it, or maybe you've already done it. Volunteered for a medical study. Could be you're a healthy volunteer with time and motivation to give. Or you've recently gotten a very serious diagnosis and you aren't the type to take bad news lying down. Maybe this isn't even your first trial. There are many good reasons to volunteer. As a study volunteer, you become an irreplaceable member of a research team. You'll see firsthand that the leading edge of medicine, the new treatments, the hopeful cures, the true advances, all come from medical investigation and the commitment of people like you. Researchers discover thousands of potential new medicines every year, but no matter how promising in theory, doctors can only prescribe them after thorough investigation shows they are safe and effective. You may be asked to participate in different phases of research. Each phase represents an important step in the investigation and approval of new treatments. In Phase 1, researchers test a new drug or treatment for the first time. Working with a small group of volunteers, they evaluate its safety, determine a safe dosage range, and identify side effects. In Phase 2, the drug or treatment is given to larger groups to see if it's effective and to further evaluate its safety. Phase 3 studies involve large groups of people to confirm effectiveness, monitor side effects, compare the new treatments to commonly used ones, and collect information that will allow the drug or treatment to be used safely. After the drug or treatment has been marketed, Phase 4 trials gather information on the drug's effect in various populations and any side effects associated with long-term use. If you decide to participate in a research trial, the tests you receive and questions you're asked are designed to make sure that you're in the right study for you. Accurate answers are vital for your own health and the success of the research. You may have questions too. Questions like these are a good starting point. As a research volunteer, you'll hear a lot about something called informed consent. Basically, it means that nothing can be done to you until your questions are answered and you understand any risks or benefits. If you are willing to go forward, you will sign and date an official informed consent document. But informed consent isn't something that just happens once. New questions are sure to come up. Whenever and whatever your concerns, they should always be answered to your satisfaction. It's your right to stay informed as you stay involved. At any point, you are free to withdraw from a research trial without any consequence to your routine medical treatment. Research advocacy sites like CISCRP.org and CenterWatch are popular first stops for people who want to stay in the know. CenterWatch's mission is to be the leading source of clinical trials information for both clinical research professionals and patients. The Center for Information and Study on Clinical Research Participation is dedicated to educating and empowering participants in the clinical research process. Participation, it's your decision, and it's an important one. Clinical research can't happen without trained scientists and devoted volunteers who are committed to improving lives, their own health, and the health of people around the world. And it can't happen without you.